Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll share you unboxing of a new brother knife that I got recently. This will be the model number 1515 G10. So unfortunately this version was only released with G10, so there is no bone, no carbon fiber and no micarta to my disappointment, but yeah. So opening this thing up, you will probably suspect the same affair like previous ones, and I can confirm once again these are drenched in oil completely. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the oil spilling all over the place. So yeah, given that this is a G10 version, there should be no problem, but let me show it to you to demonstrate what a mess this is. This is a completely mess. So let me take it off screen and clean it out, and I will be right back. Okay, so here we go, my friends. So this is how it looks like after a nice cleaning. A little bit seepage from the cracks right there, or cracks, or the holes will seep through. This will take a little bit time to evaporate and so on, but yeah. Also, I don't know what's going on with the numbering, because the previous model they released was the 1506, the swayback jack pattern. So now they are back at 1515, so maybe they are filling out blanks. Okay, but let's talk about this knife. So the 1515 is a really nice larger backlock design. We have a over length of 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches. The cutting edge is 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inches. Is the cutting edge of 7.6 centimeters or 3 inches. The blade width is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters, 0.12 inches. The handle length is 10.6 centimeters or 4.17 inches. The handle width is 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, and the thickness is 1.1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. The blade, they are used on this one 8CR14 MOV with a satin clip point blade, and the handles are stainless steel bolsters and G10. We have copper washers and a backlock construction. Let me clean it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm really sorry, but this is a big mess here around. So now, yeah, let's see the sharpness. So out of the box, really nice and sharp. Has a really fine tip right there. So the pattern-wise, I would say this is something like an elongated Lennis clip. Let me compare it to what I would say is a Lennis clip. This is the 1509. So it has definitely that that shape, but if you know the specific pattern of this traditional equivalent of the traditional knife, then please let me know in the description down below so that I can learn, because yeah, brother does make really some really nice knives. Sometimes they are referenced with a pattern, sometimes not. So like here is the 1512, which could be a Buster reference. Here's the 1502G. And like I mentioned, I'm a little bit disappointed that they did not continue the trend with the micarta on this one, but yeah, it is what it is. I forgot to tell you the weight. So the weight comes in 79 grams or 2.8 ounces. Okay, so let's see some more designs. So here is the Swan wedge from Concept, the CVV rustic gent, the Kershaw leak, $9.40 from Benchmade, case Saltbuster Junior, Kaiser Backlighter 2, a large Saltbuster from Voss, Paramilitary 2, Spyderco, here's the Delica from Spyderco, Ontario Red 1, a large Griptilian, small Griptilian, CVV Elementum, Rough Rider Peanut, small Stockman from Rough Rider, and let's close it down with the K-Bot Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so price-wise, Brother knives are really great at the pricing. So this was priced at MSRP of $46.97, but usually you can get them around half the price, around 25 or so dollars. I will link the link where I bought the knife in the description or in the under the video, so you can go and check it out. But these are fairly inexpensive knives, made in China, of course. But if you like to collect all these different patterns, then this may be something for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much, big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes I other stuff regarding my other hobbies, so stay tuned for more to come. That being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.